Guys, today I'm showing you how to make one of the most delicious and comforting traditional meals from Cameroon, Okongobong soup. This soup is rich, flavorful, nutritious, and honestly so satisfying when paired with yam or plantain. Wait until you see how I transform these Okongobong leaves into a perfect soup. I'll also show you the simple tips that makes your Okongobong soup taste delicious and perfectly balanced. So stay tuned. In my last video, I gave a step-by-step tutorial on how to prep the Okongobong leaves before cooking it. If you have not watched it, check it out on my channel. I can assure you that you like it. Let's get straight into the process. Here are the ingredients we will need for this recipe: Okongobong, Egusi, beef and cow skin, onion and leeks, white pepper, black pepper, garlic and ginger. We have our crayfish, vegetable oil, hot pepper, salt and some seasoning cubes. I'll begin the cooking process by adding the meat and cow skin together with salt, seasoning cube and water. Then I will allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. This step builds the foundation of the soup, so make sure to season the meat well. After about 30 minutes, add the egusi into the pot. Stir the egusi well to break the lumps and add water. Cook the egusi under medium heat, making sure it doesn't get burned by stirring from time to time and adding water where necessary. Once the egusi is half cooked, it is time to add in our spices. We add in the garlic, the ginger, the bush pepper and our white pepper. I'll add in some seasoning cubes, pepper and salt. Then we allow the pot to cook under medium heat until the egusi gets ready. Once ready, it's time for us to put our star, the star of the dish, which is the Okongobong. Add the vegetable gradually and stir gently. One important secret to a delicious Okongobong soup is not adding too much water. The soup should be rich, slightly thick, and packed with flavors, not watery. Keep adding the Okongobong and stirring until you get the desired texture. Once you've had that texture, it is time to introduce the crayfish. Pour in your crayfish and mix until everything blends together. Then add your onion and your leeks. Spread them evenly on top of the vegetable. Once that is done, pour in the already heated vegetable oil on the vegetable. Allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. Here is our delicious Cameroonian Okongobong soup. Look at how appetizing this looks. It tasted amazing. You should try this recipe. It is time to cook our plantain. I'll go ahead and peel the plantain nicely, cleaning all the dirt from it. Thereafter, I will wash it and put it in a pot. Then I'll boil the plantain for about 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, my plantain is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Nagai's Haven for more cooking inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.